Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. We have a special guest with us today. We have Julie BISBEE from TSET, where it's all about healthy eating. She's keeping us all fit and trim.
That's right. Going to learn about some healthy recipes out there, ways to incorporate more vegetables, and that's right in line with our mission with Shape Your Future Oklahoma, helping people eat better, move more, and of course be tobacco-free.
All right, we're making cauliflower tabouli.
Right, so you might be familiar with tabouli being made with a cracked wheat, a bulgur wheat, okay? So we're replacing that with riced cauliflower. Traditionally, tabouli is actually a parsley salad, and so we want to make sure you have a lot of parsley, but the cauliflower, like I said, is gonna take the place of the bulgur wheat. So if you have a wheat allergy or you're just trying to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, this is the way to go. So we actually bought that out of a bag, but I wanted to show you that if you want to rice your own cauliflower, just pull, okay, easier than it looks. You're just gonna pull that off and then you can just grate it on a grater.
So this is something your kiddos could do if they're relatively careful.
Yes, absolutely. The worst thing that happens maybe is you get a little kid fingernail in there, right?
Extra fiber.
Right. Okay, so that doesn't take long at all, and we'll just go ahead and put that right in, mix it in. And so the other ingredients in our tabouli are gonna be some fresh chopped cucumber, fresh chopped tomato, some green onion, and then what's gonna really give it some seasoning to liven it up, we have some lemon juice and lemon zest, and we do love to use the lemon zest because it really gives it that lemony flavor, more so than the juice actually. A little bit of red wine vinegar. This is only 2 cloves of chopped garlic, maybe only 1, but you can add as much as you like. So some people love the garlic.
Yes.
Add it in there, it's really good for you. Olive oil, and then we're gonna do some salt and pepper. So on the pepper, a whole teaspoon even if you like it, and about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then of course the most important ingredient is the parsley, to make it a parsley salad, which is what we're going for. I might as well get the rest of that riced cauliflower. And this is all gonna get stirred together. And this would be lovely if you stirred in some garbanzo beans. If you wanted to add some protein into this, it'd be a great way to incorporate some fiber and plant-based protein into your diet.
Looks really good, smells really fresh. That parsley is so aromatic.
It does smell really good.
How long will this last? Can you keep it in the fridge for quite a while? Or
Yeah,
not?
I mean, I'm gonna say 3 or 4 days for sure. I mean, vegetables are so great because they don't spoil, oopsie, it's going everywhere. It doesn't spoil easily. Okay, so this is just ready to go.
Let's show everybody at home. Julie, do you want to give it a little
I'm the taste
test right there? You are, yes ma'am.
Yeah.
Survey says.
That's good.
Good.
That's good stuff.
Lemony, good, good.
Beautiful.
Lemony and crunchy.
All right, thank you for coming in. Appreciate this, Chef. Thank you for another recipe. If you want to get this recipe or any of our other recipes, go to kgrh.com.